2024 Lexus IS. With less than 11,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, cooled front seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.